Hi everyone, it's Nadia from YARNutopia. It is WIP Wednesday, and today I wanted to find out, first off, what's on your hooks. Leave me comments. What are you working on this week? I am working on an exciting baby project. Another one. I can't stop crocheting for this baby. But I'll have that tutorial out probably later this week or early next week. So I'm excited to share it with you. And I want to know what's on your hooks, so leave me some comments. If you're on Facebook, take a snap picture of what you're working on and share in the comment section. Today's WIP Wednesday video, I want to share another one of our stitch videos from our Stitch Gallery and Glossary. If you have seen them before, this is just a great way to refresh your memory on different stitches, and if you've never seen them before, you can learn a new stitch today. This one is our fifth video in our Stitch Gallery and Glossary. It is called the Double Treble Stitch, so I'm excited to teach it to you. And if you've watched episodes 1 through today 5, you basically can crochet anything. So I'm really excited because after today's video, the double treble stitch, then you'll be able to learn different stitches, making different designs, and I'm excited to show those to you in the coming weeks. So just stay tuned, but yeah, just enjoy this clip and learn the double treble stitch. Happy WIP Wednesday and happy hooking! Hi everyone, it's Nadia from YARNutopia. This is episode 5 of our Stitch Gallery and Glossary. Today we're learning the double treble stitch. It is double treble crochet in patterns DTR, so it's quite taller than the rest of the stitches that we've been learning so far. All you'll need is some yarn and a crochet hook. This crochet hook I have gotten from the Etsy shop Would Be Fancy. This is one of my favorite hooks. I'm using an F hook in this project, but you can use any size hook. If you hold your hook like a pen, it's very comfortable. If you hold it like a knife, it's comfortable too. And if you hold it like me, just a weird way, I guess, it's still comfortable. It's a really nice ergonomic hook for those who have arthritis or just like to crochet for very long periods of time. It lets you do that, so I really like this hook. Big thank you to Red Heart Yarns for providing the yarn today. This is Creme de la Creme yarn. It is 100% cotton. I love it. It's very luscious and very soft. You can get this at redheart.com. I will put the link in the description of this video. So those are the supplies you need. If you want to use a scissors and a yarn needle, you can also do that. But let's just start and make these double treble stitches. We're going to make a slip knot first, so put your short end over your long end of your yarn. Then fold that loop down over the long end of the yarn here. This is attached to the ball of yarn. We're going to pull that through and then pull tight. And there's your slip knot. So now you can insert your hook into there and pull a little tighter, but not too tight. Just like that. Awesome. Now we are going to, I'm going to chain 10. You can chain as many as you want for the double treble stitch. So yarn over and pull through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And now I'm just going to show you a mini swatch of this stitch, and you can go on to making whatever type of project you want. Now, since you're making the double treble stitch, we are going to chain an extra 4 stitches at the end, or 4 chains, I should say, at the end of our chain. So we have 10 chains right now, and to get to the height we need, we are going to chain 4 more. So yarn over and pull through. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that is going to be considered a stitch when we go on to row 1. Now what we're going to do is in the 6th chain, number 6 here, for the 6th chain from the hook, we are going to double treble stitch. The loop on the stitch on the hook does not count as a chain here. That doesn't count as anything. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. In this chain right here, we're going to work our double treble stitch. And a double treble stitch, we are going to yarn over 3 times. So loop around 1, loop around 2, and loop around again for a 3rd time. So it should look like you have 4 loops on your hook. Now we're going to go into that 6th chain here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this chain right here. And what I personally like to do is turn the chain toward me and work in the back ridge of these chains here. So I'm going to go into this chain here, just like that. Then yarn over and pull through that chain. Okay, so now it looks like we have 5 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through 2 of them. Just like that. So now we have 4 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 more of them. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 more of those. And now we have those last 2. We're going to yarn over and pull through those last 2. So as you can see, there's a double treble stitch. It is very tall, one of the tallest stitches that I know of in the crochet stitch vocabulary. And as you can see here, this chain of 5 at the beginning of this project right here is considered a stitch, quote unquote, a double treble stitch. So, but this is our actual real one. Just to get us to the height we need, this stitch has to be there. So let's do that again. Let's yarn over 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Then go into the very next chain, right down here. Then yarn over and pull through that chain. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 more loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 more loops. It's getting really tall. Yarn over and pull through those last 2 loops. There you go. Just like that. So there's our next one. So we're going to do that all across here. So yarn over 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Go into the next chain. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 more loops, and yarn over and pull through those last 2 loops. This one takes a little bit of practice. Some of your stitches and loops might turn out to be a little bit looser, so you'll have to really practice your tension. So I yarned over 3 times, going into the next chain here. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2. I could say those words in my sleep. I say them so much. There we go. There's another one. So yarn over 3 times and make another one. And this is just practice. This is just a swatch today, but you can make many different items with a double treble stitch. This is actually a very tall stitch that has a lot of space. It already takes up so much space. It's a very tall stitch. So it's very nice, very quick projects can be made. A quick scarf can be made, and that's really nice. So you can check out my website, YARNutopia.com, for more stitches, using, or more projects actually, using the double treble stitch. I know I mentioned in episode 4 of these stitch gallery and glossary here, making the treble crochet, we actually have a 365 day of granny square project on YARNutopia.com. It's a page on my website. You can check that out. There are different granny squares that use the double treble stitch. So you can, make granny squares or make different projects and expand your crochet knowledge. Just like that. Oh, there's one more chain left on this row. I just want to show you how to get onto row 2 so you can continue this stitch making multiple rows if you are making something with rows like a scarf. Alright, so there's row 1, and as you can see in the beginning here, this is counted as a stitch. This is our chain 5 from the beginning. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There's 10 stitches, and if you stretch it out, you can see that it is a very, very loose stitching. It has basically holes that you can fit 2 fingers in there, and I'm just using an F size hook, which is 3.75 millimeters. So this is a very large stitch even for a small hook, which is really nice though. You can make some lacy projects with that actually. It looks really nice. So now going on to the next row, whatever row you are on, we're going to chain up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and that is going to count as the first treble crochet of the next row. So let's turn our work around, and as you can see, this chain up 5 is considered to be worked in this first stitch here. So we're not going to work anything in this first stitch right here because this stitch is in there. Okay, so we're going to hop to this next stitch right here, and we're going to yarn over 3 times. 1, 2, 3. We're going to go into that next stitch right here. Okay, so you can see there, going into that stitch, yarn over and pull through, then yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 more loops, yarn over, pull through 2 more loops, and yarn over and pull through those last 2 loops. And there is our super tall double treble stitch. So yarn over 3 times, hop to the next stitch, and double treble in there. Okay, so like I said earlier, in written patterns, a double treble stitch is going to be probably DTR, okay, in the crochet lingo. So yarn over 3 times, go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2. Okay, I just have a few more to go. I will go slow on this next one here. Yarn over 3 times, go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 more, and yarn over and pull through those last 2. Okay, and there's our double treble stitch. Okay, this next one I'm going to go a little faster here. And once you perfect this stitch, you'll be able to go much faster just like that. Yarn over 3 times, and double treble crochet. Now I do want to show you how to work in that beginning, or in that very last stitch on this row, because it is considered a double treble stitch, but it's actually just a chain, the chain up 5 from the previous row. So I do want to show you where to work in there. So that's my next stitch. I'm just doing one more double treble stitch here. Alright, so it looks like I'm finished with this row, but do not forget this stitch right here. Okay, it kind of looks like it's not even there to work in, but you actually have to work into that chain. So if you want to, you can count back how many stitches you have. You can see I have 9 stitches right now on row 2, so we have to have 10. So I'm going to count up from the bottom here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This chain right here is what I'm going to work in. So we're going to yarn over 3 times, go into that chain, that front loop. You can just do the front loop, or you can try to get that back loop, but it is kind of difficult to try to get the back loop and see it sometimes. But if you're determined, there you go. Get right in there. Then yarn over and pull through that chain. Then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And there it is. So now, just going on to the next row, you just repeat row 2. So just chain up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then turn your work around and double treble in each stitch, including this chain stitch here. So it's that simple. So just continue with this double treble stitch, and you can perfect it. Find out other written patterns or video tutorials using this stitch on YARNutopia.com or other websites online. Big thank you to you for watching. Check out YARNutopia.com for more free video guides on how to do more easy to complex stitches. And while you're there, you can support YARNutopia so we can keep continuing to bring you this quality crochet content. There is a donate button on the right hand sidebar under the photo of my little sheep mascot, Shenanigans. So make sure you support YARNutopia by clicking that donate button. Big thank you to my dad, Fuad Azmat, for taking the time to make this video with us. He's our videographer, editor, and photographer for this video. Big thank you to Red Heart Yarns for providing this yarn today, and big thank you to you for watching. Thank you so much for all your support, everyone. There's the double treble stitch. Happy hooking!